Okay, so we were talking about different types of mixtures, and we talked about homogeneous mixtures, right? Let's back up here real quick. So we talked about homogeneous mixtures, same throughout. You can't tell that there's different parts. A different word for that is solution. The composition doesn't vary. And we had a couple pictures and a couple examples. And now we're going to talk about the other type, heterogeneous. Hetero is a prefix that means different. These have visibly distinguishable, can't say that word, visibly distinguishable parts. So they've got part of this mixture has different properties than other parts of the mixture. So an example would be oil and vinegar salad dressing. You can shake it up, and then when you let it sit, the oil comes to the top and the vinegar and stuff stays at the bottom. It's got two different regions. The top is real oily and the bottom is real sour. And it's got two different parts. They're even a little bit different in color. Another example is sand stirred into water. If you put sugar or salt in water and stir it up, the salt and sugar will dissolve. Sand does not dissolve in water, does it? And so you can mix it up and swirl it around, but then when you let it sit, the sand's going to fall to the bottom. And so you've got the water at the top and you've got the sand at the bottom. Two different regions. So we need to be able to identify whether these things are homogeneous or heterogeneous. So which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? Pure water. It's homogeneous. Is it a mixture? No, it's a pure substance. So that was a tricky question, huh? It's homogeneous, but it's not a mixture. So that's not a homogeneous mixture. How about gasoline? Gasoline is a homogeneous mixture. There's lots of different compounds in your gasoline. But when you look at the gasoline, it looks the same all the way throughout. I know we don't often look at gasoline. It usually just goes directly into the tank. Gasoline. A jar of jelly beans. Homogeneous mixture? No. There's different colors of jelly beans, right? And inside the jar, there's going to be some spaces between the jelly beans, and that's not going to be homogeneous. How about soil? Dirt. Well, it depends on what kind of dirt, right? This powdery stuff that we have around here, and when it gets really dry and it's that light powder, you could say that that would be homogeneous because it all looks the same. But if you have good, rich dirt, that's not going to be homogeneous. They're talking about soil in other places, not our dirt. Soil is not homogeneous. There's different things in there, right? How about copper metal? It's homogeneous. Is it a mixture? No, it's an element. Okay? So that question was a little trickier than it appeared at first, huh? So gasoline is the only one of those that's a homogeneous mixture.